Hey, welcome back. Ever wonder why stress makes hiccups worse? Today, we've got quick tricks to stop hiccups by calming your mind. First, deep breaths. Inhale, hold, exhale, repeat. It resets your diaphragm and stops those hiccups. Next, try a few minutes of meditation. Mindful breathing works wonders to break the hiccup cycle and bring calm. Lastly, techniques like guided imagery or muscle relaxation reduce overall stress, helping your body find balance and end those pesky hiccups. So, next time hiccups strike, give these a shot.